In today's video, I'll teach you how to activate Comenity Mastercard credit card. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link d.comenity.net/ec/community card. Press enter. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Comenity. So if you want to activate your card, it is actually very simple. Right over here you'll be able to find the option for activate card. Click on it. Now you'll be led to the activate interface. You can see over here you'll be able to activate your card. All you have to do is enter your informations over here. Click on the field of credit card account number. Now fill in the credit card account number over here. Likewise, enter the expiration date. First of all, enter the month. After that, enter the year. Now right over here you can see social security number is selected. If you click on it, you'll be able to find the options like SSN, SIN, AIN. Click on the option of your choice. If you selected the option for SSN, you'll have to enter the last 4 digits of SSN over here. Simply enter the last 4 digits. Now also enter the zip code or postal code over here. Now after you fill in these informations, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. If these informations are correct, you'll be led to another interface where you'll be able to activate your card. The website will guide you through what you have to do in order to activate. Simply follow through the prompts and your card will be activated. So that is how you activate Comenity Mastercard credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.